Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I am back in my big open parlor here. We have this room almost completely emptied out of any extras. We still have some perimeter things, and we had planned to go. So many of you have been wondering what's going on. Where have I been? We had planned to uh, go visit. We have our new grandbaby. If you haven't heard yet, our grandbaby was born and she's gorgeous. And so we're going out to see her today and meet her. And of course, see our other grandbaby, and all of our family's going to be there. We're super excited, all of our kids. And they're, and spouses and all that good stuff. And then we're going to stay either overnight or maybe 2 nights. We're not sure yet. And my husband originally only wanted to go for the afternoon, and then only wanted to go for the day, and then we'll see. But I'm flexible. And so, but we emptied this room out. There's a little bit on the perimeter I still want to get done. We're going to move everything, the furniture, deep clean everything. I mean, deep clean. And then we may even take out our large couch, which has kind of been through the ringer in the last couple of years. So it may be time to donate it and just keep our love seat. Bring in, I have an Amish rocker that is in our bedroom that I love, and all it does is hold stuff on it, so nobody sits in it. So I'd love to see that in here, or we'll put the love seat and the Amish rocker over there and put our Christmas tree over here. We're really just super thrilled. I did have to take some things that were in here, put on the dining room table after I got that all clear, but I needed to put them in a place where I could sort them properly, because when we gut this room and we pull all the furniture out, I'll be gutting the bookshelf next Monday. So that'll be good. And then all the stuff I put in there on the table will go on the bookshelf. You know how that goes, ebbs and flows. But I'm super thrilled. We got everything, almost all is taken out to the college, but a little bit in the dining room for those of you who've been asking. And the cottage is a mess. But if you want to see what it looks like kind of in the slow progression of it getting better, and over December, I'm not sure how much is going to get done, you can watch my Instagram pictures and you'll kind of get updates there. But I am here today because in the clean out, I found 3 unopened orders. I'm so thrilled. So this is from DEK Designs. Love them. You know how much I love DEK. We have a huge sale going on, Black Friday sale. It's already in progress with new releases, plus a free kit. All that information is over on my Instagram. I'll try to get it listed below. I'm going to have limited, I'm recording these so I can load them when we're visiting at our daughter and son-in-laws. And I will, but definitely, if you go to my Instagram, you can see all the discounts, how you get what, and, all that good stuff, and what's actually on sale. It's gorgeous. So, all right, friends, let's get into this one because I love this. Now, even though these were ordered, for the month of October, it is not a problem for me because I can use all of this in my journaling, Bible journaling, scrapbooking, everything. So when you get an order and maybe it's a little bit later and it feels a little dated, use it in your scrapbooking, use it in your journals, use it in however you would like best to use it. So, and maybe you plan in reverse and record what happened instead of planning ahead, if that makes any sense. So let's look, because I love this. Okay, so here is a freebie. When you check out and you put KRIS, when you order anything from DEKs, you will get a freebie, and they're all different. So my name will be on it as a part of the PR team and, of course, the design team. But she changes these up all the time. It's great. So you get one of those, and they're always foiled, and they're great. Here's a little extra goodie she threw in, and I love this. It's so pretty. All right, and then look at that extra goodie. I love this. Okay, so those are little beehives. And this is my second time to video this, so okay? But those beehives will be perfect in that bee journal I'm making for my husband. So I think this is gorgeous, and I love the scalloped edges, and I love I think it's pleather. I love that. That is fantastic. Okay, so let's take a peek. I am a huge breast cancer research supporter. My kind of like my second mom died of breast cancer way back when it was so hideous. Treatments were so barbaric. Not that they're that much better now, because cancer is cancer, but it is something that very close to my heart. Very, very close to my heart. I was with her when she got the first prognosis, and then she went into remission, and I was with her when she got the second call, and it had come back. And so I was a young girl, and she was my music teacher, so I was at lessons both times, and it was devastating. It was just it's palatable. It's palatable. I remember those calls and the look on her face. And she was a very stoic woman, but still, you know. But anyway, she was an amazing woman. And so as a result, I'm huge. And my aunt had breast cancer, of course, and I adored my aunt. She's the one that recently passed away in her 90s. And so she survived breast cancer. I know, she was such a fighter too. Hers came later with better research. So there's that. And I love this. Now, October is notoriously breast cancer month, but it doesn't mean we can't, use these at other times. And so, and seriously, some of this you could use anytime. So I love this. I think it's gorgeous. This was a color club, which color club at DEK means you can order by the sheet. So whenever I order color club, I always order extra washi sheets because I love them. And then you can use these, of course, anytime. And these, of course, anytime. And these, of course, the bill dues anytime. I love the movie marquees anytime. They can be used. And a Zoom anytime, of course. And then this little darling quarter sheet anytime. And I love these. I believe, anyways, I love all the shapes and I love the frames. And I love these. Kind of remind me of a postage stamp. They're so pretty. Sorry, my birds are very verbal today. They know we're getting ready to go out of town. They're not happy. So my scallops, and then look at all the functional icons, work and day off. So amazing. Again, you pay by the page. Love this. And then, of course, there are the glitter headers. So this is the Color Club for breast cancer, and I adore it. All right, now, the rest of the kit is the September holidays. And I can save that for next year. I can go back and put it in my planning. Oh, whoops, there's one more. Okay, never mind. Here's the November holidays, which of course I will, have used. And then this is the gorgeous half scallops. So this is an amazing kit. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. And again, maybe you don't need everything that I got. You just get to pick your page, okay? And then these are also for every month. They're available. And remember, it's a 30-day out order. So when you place your order, it takes about 30 days before you get it. Sometimes sooner, sometimes just depending on how busy they are. And then here are the extra goodies that she sent me. And what an amazing haul. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this. Oh, sorry. My youngest is feeding the birds and they are letting her know that they're there. And, but anyways, what I was going to say is don't forget about Black Friday. All the information is on my Instagram, josephinesdesigns.com. And, if you want to see what's going on with the cottage, peek over there, and I'm putting up pictures intermittently as I go through it. And, remember, I'm slow, so it'll take me probably a good, 2 or 3 months to get it really functional, or maybe a month to get it functional, 2 or 3 months after that to get it better organized, and probably a year before it's fully organized. But I feel like we're really blessed. I still have the spare bedroom that has not been moved out yet, but that goes straight into the shipping containers, less a few things. And yeah, but it is really, everything's moving, and I'm really appreciating everyone's prayers and support and all that good stuff. You guys have been such an encouragement, and I so appreciate you. All right, friends, again, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thank you so much for being here. Again, go to dekdesigns.com, which is where all this gorgeousness is coming from, and see all the new releases for Black Friday. And hop in on that discount code. If you put in the discount code KRIS30, you'll get 30% off your order. And then if you order a minimum of $30 after the discount code, you can get a free kit. And it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. You're going to love it. So I have it all posted on my Instagram. And of course, you can go to DEK Designs to see all the goodies that they have there. Okay, friends, thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. We really need it right now. And I'm so very grateful for all of y'all. And I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving and you're having a wonderful weekend. And be safe. Love y'all. Talk to you soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.